Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your website not updating right away. So first go to WordPress dashboard and then on the left panel click on plugins and then click on add new. Now go to the search plugin and then here search for WP Optimize, and this is the plugin we are gonna install. Click on install now, activate. Now on the left panel here we will see a new option which is called WP Optimize. Just hover on that and then go to the cache. Now click on the page cache and then tap to enable. Now click on save change. Now reload it. Now just click on parse cache, and that's how you can fix your website not updating right away. Thanks for watching.